All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning and good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Yes, I'm here this morning to give you an update because a few days ago we saw Mazda Murkano's lawyer in a video where he said that 100 men has been approved by Mazda Murkano. In fact, Mazda Murkano himself is going to lead the group. And that have set internet, on fire. A lot of people are commenting on that, most especially from the angle of negativity. DOS members are not shying away from condemning that. They have been on it, and they say a lot of things they have said about Mazda and the lawyers, which I'm not here to go through because that's not the reason why I'm here. I'm actually here because of the reaction and the response from FALLBACK Republic, the Maze, did I say Maze, aka Asayayogo Ogenkere, from his own camp. Okay, the reaction they made remind me of something, and that's okay. I'm gonna share it with you. But please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new to this very platform. If you are one of those that just joined us newly, I welcome you because after my video on our main platform, I requested that people should follow the link that I'm gonna put in description. And people have actually reached out to me through WhatsApp, like I requested on the video, demanding for the link for them to subscribe to this particular channel. And if you're one of those that have subscribed, I welcome you. And to our old subscribers, you are highly, highly welcome and appreciated, of course, for your support and your love. And now we are going to go straight to the program. Please make sure you like this video and share it on any platform of your choice. So, like I was saying, the video from Maze Nemeka, I think the name of the lawyer is Nemeka, and not Prince, not Maswa. Maswa is different. This one is Nemeka. So in his video, where he said that Maze Nemeka has approved 100 men, Eggman also made a video about it, rejoicing and celebrating that he has made it to be one of the to be one of the 100 men and all that. Now, I want you to understand something. Whether it is true or not, I'm not yet to validate that. I don't know. The same way you receive it, that's how I receive it. But the reaction from Ogenkere, okay, aka Asayayogo, from Sona Brawa, of course, who happened to be his spokesperson now, although they called him Minister of Information, which that one is, that one can be debated. That one is debatable, but let's just forget about it. In their post reacting to this, you can see that they are struggling to defend the issue, the APM of their group, which is happened to Plaza Ayogo. Why? Because when Mazda said in that video, according to the lawyer, because I believe he, like he said, he's quoting Mazda he was delivering message from Mazda according to him. I'm not here to tell you that that message is not from Mazda or I don't know. But you can see that Standard Parawa and Ayogo, they are both busy trying to condemn the fact that Mazda is going to lead the group. Why? Because they are of opinion that somebody who is in prison should not lead any group. But they are using this to deceive their fellow gangsters who are shying away from the truth. And what is the truth? Nobody said that PM should be leading you now that he's in prison. Practically leading is different from, leading in the document or being your leader based on registration. Listen, when a leader is not here, your leader has been arrested. Nobody say you should wait and just stand still until you come and tell you move. Okay, stop. No. You know the template, what he actually wants. Why, what he believe on that made you to make him your leader or made you to start following him. So it is expected of you to know what that person actually wanted from get-go. Then you should follow that line. You should follow suit. You should do that in which you know that he himself believes on. In other words, nobody say you should be stagnant and let him come and lead you physically. But the issue of tampering in the document, removing his name because you want to prove that he's not the leader. That one is sabotage. Okay? So on attempt to justify this, NKERE and his group, attacked the video itself. So I will play this video for you to hear once again. Then I will not go through the write-up that comes with it. Listen.
Good morning, all of us of freedom. My name is one of the lawyers in Today is the 15th of March, 2026. I've been in Sokoto since on the 13th of March, 2026 to consult with my client, Master Americano. I'm happy to announce to us that we had very fruitful discussions, and there will be so many emerging issues to be handled and to be treated in a very short while. There will be established a 100-man committee. The 100-man committee that will be in charge of so many things to come. The 100-man committee will be headed by Master himself.
Now, this is the part that made them to react. That 100 men will be headed by Master himself, and this is the point that triggered them. Because why are they coming after that statement? Because they don't want to be seen as they are supporting this one, but they overthrown, they elected, not elected, they forced OGE for himself to be their own group prime minister instead of the prime minister that everybody knows. He started by calling himself APM, acting prime minister. From there, he said I am now officially prime minister. 5 years, lawyers, he said, 5 years, lawyers cannot offer anything. What a shame. You sound so dumb. Master Namadukano will lead from prison. Don't you see that you are reading a script from Nigeria? He says, which country has a prisoner which country has a prisoner lead before let me go back again. Lead before. Okay, which country has a prisoner lead before? Biafrans, ignore this rubbish here, please. Sana Brawa begging to Biafrans to ignore. Here he said, which country does a leader lead from prison? Another Nigerian script so that you can use Nnamdi Kanu inside prison to stop Biafra. Let on arrival, not when we are alive here. For 5 years now, these lawyers cannot offer anything, and that is why. Then he used another account here, which is also his one, operating that. Which country does a leader lead from prison? Another Nigerian script so that you can use Nnamdi Kanu inside prison to stop Biafra. Let on arrival, not when we are alive here. Okay, this thing just reminds me of what they believe on, because these guys believe that Mazi Samanepa, Biafran Prime Minister, whom they claim is no longer their leader, they called me betrayer, a saboteur, a man that put his interest before any other person, a man that loved DPM so much that he actually offer everything, give everything on a platter of gold, a man that chose DPM than the Biafran movement. You know, they have, if you are in doubt, I still have their memo. Okay, I still have their memo. So don't argue. I know what I'm saying. They never trust PM. They never want him. They don't believe in him. That is just the gospel. If you like, argue and doubt, but at the end of the day, truth is always truth. You cannot take it away. They have never for once appreciated PM. These guys have argued and argued about PM, dragging him, making some, questionable gesture, commentary that doesn't add up, claiming to be, better than PM. Now, they don't even know what agitating. I heard Asayogo claiming that there's one thing, there's a very good news coming from Washington in his state of, not state of nation, in his town hall meeting that he did a few days ago, I think 2 days ago. I just dragged the video to hear what he has to say. The man is still yapping nonsense like always, claiming to be what he's not. But guess what? They're no longer talking about men on ground, are they? No. They're no longer talking about how Briggy belongs to them and how Briggy must go to court and do this and do that. No, they're no longer talking about it. They are no longer talking about how to make sure that in Washington, DC, do this and do that. And unfortunately for them, almost everything they have used to deceive Biafrans, others are not doing it better. And proving truly, this is how it's been done. This morning, I received a message from one of our sisters that there's a congressional briefing coming up from people concerned Nigerians in America. They called, I think it's Save Nigerian Group, something like that. They are trying to brief congressmen. Listen, and that video, I will beg that I to keep on that. I want her to keep her eye on that, to send me the update in case if I miss anything about it, because I'm going to do comparison between the congressional hearing, congressional briefing of Zayob and Co. Another, not even a government, it's just a group, Nigerian group in America, are trying to conduct congressional hearing, which is somehow connected to congressional briefing. They're almost the same. You are going to see how it's been done. Because, I have said that time with that number here, that what the NKERE did is just, that guy is a con artist. You are going to see how it's been done. Joseph Okechukwu, who went to see Ramon, came up with the video and pictures, a short clip from that visit to Ramon. Another congressman, NKERE, and he's all these guys that are running around him. I don't know. Do we actually have some level of stupidity in our midst, like stupid people in our midst like that? Because for NKERE to manage to maintain even 30 people, it is a surprise to me that Igbos can fall, that can descend too low. That huge number of people like that, 30 people. There may be more than 30. When he emerged as an APM or prime minister, according to them, 50 people voted. So 50 people made him prime minister to dethrone a prime minister that 50 million supported. Can you see the differences? You can see it, right? That is why I am a kind of skeptical about their group. I'm not saying you should stone them. It's entirely your business if you want to. But I'm just telling you that this guy, he don't mean good for you. And if you're in doubt, remove sentiment and ask yourself some questions. What is the intention of forcing himself to become prime minister? Have you asked yourself that question? What do you think that this guy is so desperate of to even dream of? We were laughing and mocking him that he said he's acting prime minister. We did not even know that he's planning how to become prime minister, from acting to prime minister. They're actually mocking leaders that are in prison. They undermine that suffering and sacrifices. If not, tell me what is the reason why these people can come up with that kind of idea of forcing themselves to become what they are not. So instead of changing documents, the man was busy telling you that he needs to be signing document according to the reason he gave. I find it difficult to believe that NKERE don't know what happened to PM. Very difficult. I'm not saying that his hand is there. I'm just telling you that I find it difficult. And you don't need to blame me because his action and everything actually validate that doubt. You know what I mean? I'm gonna end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't get anywhere. You're not gonna regret why you subscribe to this platform. Join us here as you share the platform, you share the program, and make sure you like it. Comment, let us know what you think about all this discussed so far. Good morning to you, and make sure you share it, like I said, and like the video. God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.